guys, so on this clip of All About Kalani, I will be making DIY lip scrub. So the materials that are needed in this project are some sugar, which you can also use brown sugar, some mixing bowl, Vaseline, but you can also use honey, a container to store, and some mixing tools. You will be needing some food dye. Any color is good. I like pink or red. So I'm going to be kind of recreating a past lip scrub that I made. It is just no color, but it really works. You do not need color. But it kind of all depends on the size of the container. So begin by taking a scoop of Vaseline. Yeah, there's no really measurements. Just kind of take how much you would think you'd need for your bowl. So I'm just going to put this in my bowl. And then I'm going to be taking some sugar. And you just add the sugar right in. Then you will begin to start mixing, which this process takes a long time. So yeah, you might need to add more Vaseline. But yeah, after I'm mixing, we can go on to the next step. Okay, so now I am done mixing. I ended up having to add more Vaseline and more sugar. But this is what it should look like. You can kind of just feel how the texture should be. So if you have your desired texture, just add only 1 drop of food dye because you do not want it staining your hands or anything. So only 1 drop will be fine. It's pink, but it'll turn red, I bet. So let's just mix this in. So now your lip scrub should look something similar to this. And yeah, now time to put in the container. So I would say you can use your fingers, but you can also just use a spoon. But do this over the bowl because it will spill. And you can kind of just mat it down because it's really it's easy to mat. Kind of go like that, get any excess off. So I have some extra, so I might just put it in another container I have, or just start with it. Okay, this is what it should look like. My container is pretty small, but there's a lot extra. Yeah. So I am now done with the lip scrub. This is also edible, so you can just lick it off your lips. But it's you really squeeze your lips out, and I would recommend putting some chapstick on after. So thank you for watching.